Hi there, hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in today's newspaper in the edition of Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, June the 25th, 2022. I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars Sudoku, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. And now it's time for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Yes, this will be number. Let me zoom out, yes. This will be number 4746. All right, 4746. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 11 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one 11, could be a hard one, could be an easy one. But the hard ones, I think a couple days ago, with 6 printed digits. So, all right. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. All right. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. I see here single box, there single box, it's always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so that box should be a 1. Here also a dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? No dual boxes. Triple boxes then. I see here a triple box. The 2 is already filled in, so those 2 boxes are the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3. Let me mark those. 1 and the 3. Okay. And when you see a triple box, the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or 5. 4 or a 5. But we have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. All right. Okay, more triple boxes here? No. Quadra boxes then. We have only one quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, those 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. More quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay, the T shape. Here another T shape, what rotated. So this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Here another one, T shape. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright, more T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? If you flip this figure, then you get the Z, but this is the S. Let me draw this here. When you see the S or the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright, only one S or Z construction. How about the L shape? We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this here. Can you see this kind of shape? Remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. More of these kind of shapes? No, only one. And we have the last one here, the last shape, I believe. Yeah, let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, constructions, structures, whatever you name it. Maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. In this puzzle we have 5 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can it be a 1? So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here in this area. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Right, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there, but also that box can be a 1. Oh, wait. We have here the 1 and a 2. I've marked those 2 boxes 1 and a 2. 1 or a 2. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 and more. This box should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this double box for the number 1. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, but also that box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped figure for the numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. And this box is connected with that box, will be also 4 and 5. But in this quarter box, there cannot be a 5. So it should be a 4. Alright. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for the number 5. This box cannot be a 2. This box can be a 3. So 2 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. So 1 box left in this quarter box for number 1. This box is connected with that box for 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3, okay. This box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be here. Then, well, we have a... This box cannot be a 2 or a 3. We have a double 2 there, double 3 there. So this box can be 2 or a 3. So the 2 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. So 1 digit left in this area, in this T-shaped area for the number 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be a 2 or a 3. Okay. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Those two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Complicated, but I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Alright. Okay. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. 2 and a 4. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. And can it be a 2? Well, we have a double 2 there, so this box can be 2. And those two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. That box is connected with this box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this quadra box for the number 3. Then I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3 is connected with that box, should be also a 3. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These two boxes can be 2, those two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. Let me mark those. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Then I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 4 and the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. And that box is also connected with this box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this Z or S constructions for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. Well. This box can be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 4. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5. 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 2. Let me see. Yeah. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. I think this box should be 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. This box can be a 1. That box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shape. 4 numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left, the final numbers, the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow. 30 minutes I need for 4 stars. Is this really 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it myself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonics, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the ladder Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. We will meet again tomorrow on Friday, last day of the working week, and it's almost weekend. So see you then. Bye bye for now.